Let's quickly look into gold, and let's see what we have for gold and how we are going to start playing gold as of next week. So gold still bullish, you can see. Our highs, our lows, we've not seen a significant drop in price, so we are still bullish. On the weekly, we are still ascending, even when we have all this reaction in between. We made the new high and we dropped, and presently we've not completed the downfall, so looks like we're still finding the way upward from something like this. Looks like we are possibly using this area to correct. I see this as a correction mode though, but yeah, it's what it is. I don't want to impede it now. It's what it is. It might not fully correct, it might. So you can see how price has been failing to break out of this area with a full body closure. We broke out, we couldn't close, we came back, we tapped the area, and tapped the area. So we've had multiple touches of this area, which has, I believe, has weakened this area. So if we have any push of buy now, it should dramatically clear out everybody that is here, because the pressure here has enormously reduced when we have price revisiting it back and back and back. Also, that could also make that area be very strong. So it's of both ways. So all the same, let's just follow what the structure is saying. The structure is still bullish. So on a daily, let's see what we have presently on a daily. We can see the rejection 1, 2, 3 here. Now on the daily, this is the last low before price came back to give us this last high, this last lower high, and price reacted from that area again. Price reacted on that area. You see, the last time we had the morning star and price did this. Now what do we have? We have a stronger morning star, stronger than the previous one in that same area, signifying that buyers intakes are in. But this time around we have a more stronger candlestick formation, signifying that we should have a lot of pressure to take out this area as soon as possible. So this week we should see a lot of pressure take out all these sellers here that have highlighted this area and created a force around this area. We should see massive move to clear them out. To clear this area out, we need a very impulsive move. We need a very strong impulsive move. We need like some candle that has a lot of impulse like this. We need this kind of candles here to significantly break out of this area, and not immediately will we be looking for a retest, but because of the quality of sellers in this area, we need to take out this area with a bang, with an explosive bomb here to take everybody out. All right, that's that on daily. Let's see what we have on the 4-hourly. Now this is where things get interesting. On the 4-hourly, price was ascending here until price broke. We have a retest of this area and we dropped. Price came back and retested this area but failed to close lower than this and created a higher low. Now in this area, price is still bearish. Even here, I'm still looking at price as bearish because I didn't take this buy. I didn't take it because I wasn't expecting DXY to fall immediately at that moment. Even if I was expecting DXY to sell, I was still waiting a little bit longer for it to take into consideration into a good position, a discounted price range to sell from. But the guy just sold from the news and caused a lot of havoc, and gold just skyrocketed with about, I think about 100 or so. It's about 180 pips move, which was stunning. I saw applaud a lot of people that took that trade. I give it to you guys. I couldn't come into that trade because I wasn't seeing buy side. I was seeing sell side in that area. Although I figured out that the move that happened here, was a very strong move. I think on 30 minutes I saw that move here. This 30 minutes gave me a lot of clue, but I didn't pay much attention to it because price was still following the structure bearishly. Now look at what happened here. This is a very strong money star candle, which you don't normally see. Anytime you see this candle, you better respect it. After this candle formed, another one formed here. When I was actually in this sell trade here, and my stop loss was on break even when I had 1, 2, 3 candle, and I was watching my trade as my trade came back and hit my SL, my break even, and I was like, what kind of candles is gold printing? This was before the news. I was seeing this candle. I saw this. I said, wow. Okay, let's wait. And I was waiting for another sell position here, but no sell close. That's why you need to wait for your candle to close sometimes before jumping. When candle closed bullish, I was like, oh no, it means we are coming back to this area. Meanwhile, we've crossed out of the trend line. This would have been a very good opportunity for me to buy gold, but because I was stuck with sell side, I didn't take advantage of this buy side. This would have been my very good opportunity to take on the trade, but I was structured in for sell, so I don't want to go against my plan. That was why I couldn't benefit from this 180 pip trade, but it's all good. I take a lot of respect for these candles in this area, signifying that we are back. This alone, I was watching this when this happened because I was in this sell trade and I closed around this candle. Yeah, but when this candle closed, I just closed all my sell trades and this candle formed. I was like, no, I'm not going back in and buy again. No, it's late. let me let it be. Tomorrow I come. Tomorrow when I came back, price had already moved. Boom. I was waiting for sell here. I didn't see any candle confirmation here. Price did all this. I didn't see any confirmation. Price came back and did this. I got in here at the close of this candle. I got in here. When price broke out here, retested this candle, I got in here again, and around here I think I went to sleep around here. When I woke up, price took me out and from this candle again. I got in here again. I would have closed to recover the loss of this second entry, but I didn't close. I moved my stop to break even as soon as I have this third candle. I will stop. So when this took out my break even, I didn't move this stop to break even. I did move it to break even. It was stopped around the entry. So I just watched price collected all this money back from me through here, and boom. Well, was it a good trade? It was, because I followed my plan and I did what I normally do. So I didn't take myself, I didn't blame myself for it. Here would have been another entry, but I didn't get a good kind of confirmation. Let's see 1 hour if we have some good confirmation. Well, 1 hour gave us a confirmation here. I wouldn't have taken it because it's too big. It's too big. Yeah, the stop loss will be a little bit more than my normal 50 pips. Oh, that's 49 pips. Not bad, but I didn't see it. I didn't take it. So I prefer taking gold on 30 minutes. I have more time to. This is breakout retest. These zones are 4-hour zones. Breakout retest, first rejection, but this didn't give the kind of candle that I would love. I would love to say money candle, a money star candle like this guy here, or this money candle sweeps up the low of this. Those are the kind of candle I'd like to see. I'd like to see a good candle on this second formation, just like this one gave a second. Those are the kind I'd love to see, but I didn't see here. That was why I didn't enter. I didn't enter this. I just left everything to run because it's weekend, it's Friday, and I don't want to just hop in blindly. All right, I think that's that on gold. So gold, we'll be looking for continuation. We might see a retracement, but all the way we are looking for continuation to the buy side, and we're looking to take out all the sellers at this top. All right, I think that's that on gold for now. See you guys. Bye.